Like and subscribe to Desi Engine. Click the bell button to receive the latest video.
Let's do the next kind of verbs, that is irregular verbs. Irregular verbs do not follow the usual rules of common verbs. That is, they do not end in ed, t or et like the common verbs. That is the weak verb that we learned previously. Some of the examples of irregular verbs are get, go, say, see and etc. Let's take few sentences and look at the irregular verbs. He got his business running at the right time. Here, our irregular verb is got. The main verb of got is get. The simple past of get is got and the past participle of get is gotten. That is, this verb does not end in conventional way. You cannot have the simple past of get as getted or the past participle of get as getted. It changes completely. It is get, got and gotten. Let's take another sentence. We went home early. Here the irregular verb is went. The main verb of went is go. And the simple past of go is went. And the past participle of go is gone. So it is go, which is the main verb. Simple past is went and past participle is gone. Let's do another sentence. They came by bus on a Saturday morning. Here our irregular verb is came. The main form of the verb came is again came. And the simple past of the verb came is come. And the past participle of the verb came is again came. So, these are the irregular verbs.